Hey, Mike, the disgruntled mechanic here. What we're going to do today is just something a little fun, I think. My buddy Steve Robb of Steve Robb Reviews was testing a 9-volt battery in his smoke detectors, and of course he was using a multimeter. And just for the heck of it, I told him, which is the truth, that I test 9-volt batteries on my tongue. And he said that'd make for an interesting video. So I thought, okay, I'll do it. So here is the battery I'm going to use. I'm not going to change it out. I'm going to leave this run because I'm going to slide the battery over and sit down in the chair there and adjust the camera just to prove it's the same battery. I have no reason to lie about this. But let's test the voltage in this. And we got 9.5 volts in that battery. So someone would say, how can you test that and know that it has charge in it? Well, to me it's pretty simple. You try it, and if your tongue gets a pretty good tickle, you know it's a good 9-volt battery. If it doesn't get any tickle or a slight tickle, then you know it's shot. Hold on, I got to clean off the... Sorry about that. I don't want to change anything here, and I didn't change the battery out. It's the same one. .5 volts. So I'm going to move that over there. I'm going to I'm going to let the camera run so nobody thinks that I'm doing a different battery or something. So we'll move this. We're going to set this up to about where I think the chair's at, where it'll see me. And I'm going to move over there to the chair. So here I am. Here's the battery. And all I do is I take the battery. Whoops, got to get them both on there. Right at the end of my tongue. Ooh, you get a nice little tickle. So anyhow, there it is. We'll put the battery down. We'll test it again. I don't know if you can see the, let me do this. Hold on a second. Can't get them in here at the same time. We'll test the battery. And I think it's showing the voltage. Should be 9.5. And in case you don't believe me, I'll pick it up again. Gotta have both terminals on there. Try it. See how you make out. This is the Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, you can get somebody else to do it. You probably are better off. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!